Hi everyone. Today, we're going to talk about simple habits that help your body make more collagen. Now, what is collagen? Well, it says something that our bodies naturally produce, and it's very important for the structure and the integrity of many different tissues. Now, you can think of collagen like the building blocks of our muscles, tendons, ligaments, bones, and even skin. It's made up of amino acids, and there are certain amino acids that are key in making collagen. One is called glycine, and another one is called proline. And these amino acids are not essential, meaning that our bodies can actually make them. But there are other amino acids that are required that we get from our diets, and those are called essential amino acids. So when we eat protein, our bodies break that protein down into amino acids, and then those amino acids can be used to make collagen. And so that's why if you don't get enough protein, you might find that you have less collagen, and maybe you get more wrinkles, or maybe you have weaker muscles, or maybe your joints ache more. Now, the next thing that's needed to make collagen is vitamin C. A lot of people don't realize this, but vitamin C is very important in making collagen. In fact, it's necessary. Without vitamin C, the body cannot make collagen. You also need zinc and copper to help with the enzymes that are involved in making collagen. And finally, all these things come together through a process called protein synthesis, and the result is collagen. And that collagen is not just good for one part of the body, it's good for many parts of the body. For example, it helps with skin elasticity, joint health, tendons, ligaments, and also wound healing. On the flip side, if you're deficient in any of those nutrients that I mentioned earlier, whether it's vitamin C, zinc, copper, glycine, proline, any of those things, you might experience some negative effects. You might see wrinkles, you might feel joint pain. If you don't have enough collagen in your muscles, they can become weak. Also, if you don't have enough collagen in your gut, it can thin the lining of your gut and lead to digestive issues. And lastly, if you don't have enough collagen, you won't be able to stretch as much. You won't be as flexible because collagen provides that tensile strength to the joints. Now, I want to share with you 7 habits that you can easily implement into your life to help your body make more collagen. The first one, of course, is to consume bone broth. Now, this is considered the #1 best natural source of collagen. In fact, bone broth has been used for thousands of years to help improve joint health and reduce inflammation. This is because bone broth is rich in gelatin, which is a type of collagen. When you heat bone broth, it liquefies because it denatures the collagen. So when you consume bone broth, your body breaks it down into amino acids that can be used to make more collagen. Second habit is to eat eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and amino acids, which are building blocks of collagen. They also contain vitamin C, zinc, and selenium, which all help with collagen production. Eating eggs can help improve skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles and joint pain. Another habit that will help your body make more collagen is to eat meat. This is because meat is high in proline and glycine, which are 2 amino acids that are necessary for making collagen. Proline and glycine are found in the connective tissue of meat. So when you eat meat, your body breaks it down and uses those amino acids to build more collagen. Some studies show that eating more meat can improve skin elasticity and reduce joint pain. Habit No. 4 is to eat beans. Beans are high in zinc and copper, both of which are needed to make collagen. Beans also contain a lot of protein, which can be used to make collagen. Studies show that eating more beans can improve wound healing. No. 5 is to eat citrus fruits. We already talked about how vitamin C is very important for making collagen. Citrus fruits are one of the best sources of vitamin C, eating citrus fruits like oranges. Limes and lemons can help improve skin health and reduce joint pain. In fact, studies show that eating more citrus fruits can reduce the risk of developing scurvy, which is a disease that's caused by a vitamin C deficiency, and it causes joint pain and bleeding gums. Next one is to eat berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, both of which are beneficial for collagen production. Studies show that eating more berries can reduce inflammation and improve skin health. No. 7 is to eat bell peppers. It's just like citrus fruits. Bell peppers are packed with vitamin C, which is needed to make collagen. Studies show that eating more bell peppers can reduce joint pain and improve wound healing. Now, we talked about shellfish earlier in relation to zinc. Well, shellfish is also a good source of copper, which is another mineral that's needed to help make collagen. Copper helps with enzymes that are involved in making collagen. Studies show that eating more shellfish can improve skin elasticity and reduce joint pain. Nuts and whole grains are rich in copper, and so eating more of these foods can help your body make more collagen. Studies show that eating more nuts and whole grains can improve wound healing. Now let's talk about collagen supplements. You can take collagen supplements in powder form. They usually come from sources like fish, eggs, or beef. And most of the research shows that taking collagen supplements before a workout can help increase muscle mass and reduce joint pain. Remember, we already talked about how collagen is made up of amino acids. So instead of just taking collagen straight, maybe you should first take protein, and then if you want to take collagen, you can take it right before a workout. Let's talk about a few research studies. There was a study done in 2019 that showed that low doses of collagen peptides applied topically could help increase skin elasticity. Another study was done in 2018, and it looked at the effects of microneedling on scarring and stretch marks. Microneedling creates small punctures in the skin, and it allows for better absorption of topical treatments. The study showed that microneedling plus a collagen-stimulating treatment was effective at reducing the appearance of scars and stretch marks. There was another study done in 2021 that looked at the effects of ultrasound therapy on skin laxity, which means looseness. The results showed that ultrasound therapy was effective at tightening the skin. However, there were other studies done on ultrasound therapy and the results were inconclusive.
No more research is needed.
Let's talk about habits that can help your body make more collagen naturally. And really, there is only one habit that you have to focus on, and that is eating a balanced diet. All the foods I mentioned in this video can help your body make more collagen. So eating a balanced diet full of all those foods that I mentioned will help your body make more collagen. The other things that are important include drinking plenty of water to stay hydrated, and protecting your skin from excessive sun damage by wearing sunscreen and protective clothing. And finally, avoiding too much sugar. Sugar can break down collagen and elastin fibers, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. It can also weaken the joints and make them more prone to injury. Now, I briefly mentioned collagen in skincare earlier in the video. Here are a couple things to know. Many skincare products contain collagen or peptides, which are small chains of amino acids that can help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. However, it's not clear whether collagen creams are effective at improving skin elasticity. And this is because collagen molecules are too big to penetrate the skin. So applying collagen topically is unlikely to improve skin elasticity. So instead, you may want to consider eating more collagen-rich foods and staying out of the sun. Those are probably going to be more cost-effective than putting collagen on your skin. There are DIY recipes online that contain collagen-rich foods like bone broth and eggs. These recipes claim to improve skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles. However, there's no scientific evidence to support these claims. And so the bottom line is that while collagen plays an important role in skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles, it's unclear whether collagen creams or DIY recipes are effective at improving skin elasticity. So that pretty much covers it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you've learned something new. As always, I want to thank everybody who likes, comments, and shares these videos. You guys are helping me reach more people, and I really appreciate it, so thank you so much. If you want to learn more about collagen, I'm going to put some more research down below. So if you're interested in reading more, you can click on those studies. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in the next video.